More than 80% of drivers are damaging their cars every single day without even realizing it. And if you drive an automatic, there is a very good chance you are making at least one of these exact mistakes right now. You have been lied to repeatedly by dealerships and car manufacturers. They design factory maintenance schedules to sell cars and get them past the warranty period, not to make them last. They want you coming back to pay massive service fees. It is a trap. And the scary part is, just one of these everyday habits can quietly turn into a $4,000 repair bill before you even see it coming. Or worse, a $3,800 engine failure from a blown head gasket. After witnessing dealerships quietly milk drivers for billions, I cannot stay quiet anymore. Today on Core Car, we are exposing 5 common mistakes that are destroying automatic cars across the country. Do not skip ahead. Stick around until the very end. The final secret is a $20 tool that will completely expose the expensive diagnostic tests at the dealership and put the power back in your hands. Let us begin now with mistake number 5. Mistake number 5. Shifting from reverse to drive without fully stopping. Picture this scenario. You are backing out of your driveway or navigating a tight spot in a crowded parking lot. You are running late, you are stressed, and you are in a massive rush. So, before the car even comes to a complete stop, you just slap the shifter right into drive and hit the gas. It feels like a completely harmless everyday habit, but that tiny moment of impatience is a brutal assault on your vehicle. Here is the truth about what is actually happening underneath you. When you shift while the car is still rolling backwards, that single aggressive move forces the automatic transmission to instantly reverse the direction of power while its heavy internal components are still moving. Inside your automatic transmission, the clutch packs and gears are precision engineered to engage smoothly. They are absolutely not designed to fight against each other. When you slam it into drive while rolling, you are essentially asking those delicate parts to absorb a massive, violent shock that they were never meant to handle. In simple terms, you are forcing the transmission to slam on its own internal brakes while simultaneously changing direction. The damage does not happen overnight, which is exactly why it is so dangerous. It is a slow, silent killer. Over time, this extreme stress causes accelerated wear, harsh shifting, and dangerous hesitation when you press the gas pedal. Eventually, this leads to a complete transmission failure. And let me tell you, that is not a cheap fix. You are looking at a massive repair bill of at least $4,000 just to rebuild or replace that transmission. That is $4,000 completely wiped out, all because you could not wait an extra half second. The fix is the easiest thing in the world. Just practice exactly 1 second of patience. Always bring your vehicle to a complete, dead stop before you shift from reverse into drive. Press the brake pedal, wait for the car to settle, and then shift. That one simple habit alone can add years to your transmission's life and keep thousands of dollars right where they belong, in your pocket. And if you think that shifting habit is bad, wait until you hear what the next mistake is doing to your air conditioning system right now. Mistake number 4, the AC recirculation trap. Picture driving on a blazing hot summer day. You are sweating, the sun is beating down on your windshield, so you crank the air conditioning up to maximum power. But you leave the system pulling in fresh air from the outside. That small button on your dashboard, the one with a car and a circular arrow, just sits there, completely ignored. It is one of the most misunderstood controls in your vehicle. You probably think your AC is doing its absolute best, but it is actually suffocating. Here is the harsh mechanical truth. When you leave the fresh air mode on during extreme heat, your system is constantly fighting to cool down outside air that is 90 or 100 degrees. Instead of easily recirculating the already cooled air inside your cabin, your AC compressor is forced to work significantly harder. It is like leaving your refrigerator door wide open while expecting the food to stay perfectly cold. At the same time, you are pulling outside pollution, thick exhaust fumes, and road dust straight into your lungs. This tiny everyday mistake dramatically shortens the life of your entire air conditioning system. I have seen compressors completely fail before reaching 60,000 miles, simply because drivers never used the recirculation button. When that compressor finally burns out, you are not looking at a cheap or easy repair. Replacement costs typically range from $800 to $1,500 depending on your vehicle. On top of that, drawing in dirty outside air forces your cabin air filter to work overtime, clogging it up faster and leading to yet another expensive service visit at the dealership. The solution is brilliant and costs you absolutely nothing. On hot days, always press that recirculation button. It acts as an instant air quality shield against outside pollution. More importantly, it boosts your AC performance by up to 20%, meaning much faster cooling and significantly less wear on your expensive compressor. But you must remember this golden rule. Leaving it on all the time is also a massive mistake. In cold weather, it traps moisture inside the cabin, fogs up your windows, and makes defrosting completely useless. Switch to fresh air when it is cold and use recirculation when it is hot. Now, speaking of expensive and stressful emergencies, what would you do if your car battery completely died in the middle of a busy intersection and your gear shifter was locked in park? The next hidden button is a literal lifesaver. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the shift lock override during a dead battery. Imagine this absolute nightmare scenario. Your car battery completely dies while you are stuck right in the middle of heavy traffic. Cars are honking, people are getting angry, and you urgently need to push your vehicle to the side of the road. Here is the massive catch. Because your battery is completely dead, your electronic gear shifter is totally locked in park, and you cannot shift into neutral to move the car. Your 2-ton vehicle is completely paralyzed. You might think you are completely helpless, but you are not. Car manufacturers actually anticipated this exact disaster. Tucked right beneath a small plastic cover near your gear shifter is a hidden lifesaver called the Emergency Shift Lock Release. This safety feature became mandatory after multiple dangerous highway incidents where dead cars could not be moved out of traffic lanes. The mechanism is purely mechanical, which means it works perfectly even when every single electronic system in your car has totally failed. I have seen drivers sit frozen in panic for hours waiting for an expensive tow truck just because they had no idea this override existed. Meanwhile, traffic piles up behind them, road rage boils over, and the risk of being rear-ended by another driver skyrockets. You are essentially paying a massive towing bill and risking your personal safety for a problem you could fix yourself in under 10 seconds. Here is exactly what you need to do to take control. Just pop off that small plastic cover using your car key or a small flathead screwdriver. Press the button hidden underneath, and just like that, your shifter will immediately unlock. You can now shift straight into neutral and safely push your car out of harm's way without needing a single drop of battery power. Depending on your car, it is usually located right next to the shifter, or sometimes hidden under the shift boot. Find it today before you actually need it. Before we get to the final 2 mistakes, the ones that literally destroy automatic transmissions, I need you to do me a favor. If this video just saved you from an expensive tow truck or a massive repair bill, hit that subscribe button for Core Car right now. We are here to stop you from throwing your hard-earned cash out the window to greedy dealerships. Done? Awesome. Now, speaking of your transmission, the next mistake is something almost everyone does when they park, and it is quietly destroying your vehicle from the inside out. Mistake number 2, the parking pall destroyer. Picture this everyday scenario. You pull into a parking space, maybe on a slight hill or a steep driveway. press the brake pedal, shift the car into park, take your foot off the brake, and feel the entire car roll forward, just an inch before it heavily clunks into place. You turn off the engine, lock the doors, and walk away. Most drivers believe that shifting an automatic transmission into park is all they ever need to do. They completely ignore the parking brake, thinking it is only for manual cars or extreme emergencies. But here is the brutal mechanical truth about what is actually holding your car in place. When you park your vehicle without engaging the parking brake, the entire weight of your car rests on one single tiny metal component inside your transmission called the parking pawl. To give you an idea of how terrifying this is, that piece of metal is roughly the size of your finger. It was absolutely never designed to independently hold a 2-ton vehicle on an incline. You are taking 3,500 pounds of heavy machinery and forcing one tiny metal finger to hold it all back. It is not a parking brake, it is simply a gear holder, and you are abusing it. Over time, that immense daily stress causes the parking pawl to wear down, crack, or completely snap in half. When that tiny part finally fails, your car can literally roll away and crash, even while your gear shifter clearly says it is in park. And replacing that shattered parking pawl is an absolute nightmare. It often requires mechanics to completely remove and tear down your entire transmission. You are looking at a massive repair bill of $2,800 or more just to replace a tiny piece of metal. The solution takes 2 seconds and completely eliminates this risk. It is called a parking brake for a reason. Set your emergency brake every single time you park, whether you are on a steep hill, a downhill slope, or a perfectly flat road. But here is the most important part. You must do it in the correct order. While your foot is still holding the main brake pedal down, pull the emergency brake first and then shift the car into park. This ensures the brake cables are holding the heavy weight of the car, not your fragile transmission. Now, we have finally reached the #1 secret, the $20 trick that will completely change how you deal with mechanics and save you from the biggest dealership scam of all. Mistake number 1: paying for dealership diagnostic scans. Picture this. You are driving down the road, and suddenly, that dreaded check engine light illuminates on your dashboard. Panic instantly sets in. You immediately call the dealership, book an appointment, and waste 2 hours sitting in a waiting room while imagining the absolute worst-case scenario for your vehicle. Here is the truth about what happens next. The mechanic drives your car to the back, plugs a small device under your dashboard, and simply reads a code that your car has already saved internally. They are not performing complex, exploratory mechanical surgery. They are just reading a standard number generated by your car's computer. Then, they hand you a bill for a diagnostic fee that can easily cost you between $100 and $200. And the most infuriating part? Sometimes that expensive scan just tells you that you did not tighten your gas cap properly. You are literally paying them massive labor rates just to plug in a basic scanner and read a screen. Here is the ultimate solution. You can run that exact same diagnostic test yourself right in your own driveway for less than $20. Every car built after 1996 has a standardized diagnostic port hidden under the dashboard on the driver's side. You simply buy a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, plug it in, and download a free app on your smartphone. Within seconds, your phone reads every single fault code, tells you exactly how serious the problem is, and even lets you clear the code yourself to turn off that check engine light. A $20 adapter puts the exact same diagnostic power that dealers use every single day right into your hands. Now that you know how to stop throwing your money away at the dealership, you are way ahead of the average driver. But there is another major trap you are probably falling right into. Are you still believing the ridiculous lies about how to save gas? Some of those popular fuel-saving tips are actually destroying your engine from the inside out. Do not fall for it. Click on the video on your screen right now where we expose the fuel myths that make smart drivers look stupid.